When I come home, I will code. When I come home, I will code. Then you come home and do everything else. Welcome to the first episode of Coding Motivation, the Winter Arc. I will share with you a small habit that helped me overcome this initial resistance. If I remember correctly, this originated from the book Deep Work from Cal Newport, but don't quote me on that. Now, before I start cooking, please take a second to hit like and subscribe to support the channel. Okay, now let me cook. So, the problem is when you want to have your productive time, all of a sudden you feel the urge to clean your room, to cook, to call your mom, to make a coffee or whatever. Then instead of coding, you start cleaning. By the time you're done with it, you have no mental energy left in you to do your productive work. So what's the solution? The idea is to prepare everything for your productive time so when you do arrive home, everything is clean and ready to go. You just need to sit on your chair and turn on your laptop. You need to minimize this initial resistance. So what I did is, before I go out somewhere and I had the goal to code for that day, I prepared everything. And when I say everything, I mean everything. I had literally a cup with a bag of green tea in it next to my laptop, ready for me to just pour hot water in it. I had a book already open on the right page. Even though everyone around me would consider me lazy, this preparation thing evolved into a habit that I carried with me for years. Let me know in the comment section some of your productivity techniques that helped you overcome this initial resistance. So, that's it for today. See you next week in Coding Motivation. Tariq 10x.